Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install YouTube app in Windows 11 from Microsoft Edge. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open Microsoft Edge, go on YouTube, and just go over here on top right corner and click on these three dots, settings and more, or you can just also press Alt plus F. Now, click on these three dots. Okay. Now just click on more tools and find this app, click on it, and here you will see this option install YouTube. Just click on install YouTube and your YouTube app will be installed. I've already installed it, so that's why it's not showing, but in your case it will be showing. So that's it for the video. That's how you can install YouTube on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.